That's the sound of the GBU-57 bomb, a 30,000-pound bunker buster being released by a US bomber heading straight for Iran. Last night, in the dead of midnight, the United States launched a surprise airstrike that shook the Middle East. B-2 Spirit stealth bombers, invisible to radar, breached Iranian airspace with a single mission: destroy the country's most fortified nuclear facilities, Fordow, Natanz, and Isfahan. These were no ordinary targets. They were deep underground, hidden beneath mountains and concrete. But the GBU-57 Massive Ordnance Penetrator was built for exactly that: to shatter anything buried deep below the surface. The strike wasn't random. US intelligence revealed Iran had resumed near-weapons-grade uranium enrichment. Diplomacy had failed, tensions had peaked, and President Trump gave the order, calling the mission a necessary act to eliminate a global threat. Within minutes, the bombs hit. Iran confirmed the attacks and reported casualties. The Revolutionary Guard has vowed revenge. Israel praised the strike. Russia and China condemned it. Oil prices surged. Global markets dipped. And now, the world watches in fear. Was this just one strike, or the start of a regional war? One thing is clear. That sound wasn't just a bomb falling. It was the sound of history being rewritten. Follow Crisis and Capital, where war, economy, and truth collide.